So be omnipresent with Builderall. Bring your ideas to life with Builderall. Bring your ideas to life with Builderall. Sell your products, tell the world just who you are. Builderall, oh yeah. So come on, join Builderall, oh yeah. You know you wanna be with Builderall, oh yeah. Be omnipresent with Builderall. Builderall Rockstar. So you need a website, need to get your business right. Don't know where to start, but you got right here. Listen to me when I say you came to the right place. We got your back, so sit back and relax. Facebook Messenger, chatbot, email marketing, automation. Oh, listen to me when I say we got your back. Oh, sit back and relax. We got your back, so sit back and relax. I say we got your back, sit back and relax. Sales funnels, webinars, we got you. Sell your products, anything, we got you. Yeah, we got you. Builderall gonna take you higher. Builderall gonna make you richer. No limits if you can dream it. Said no limits if you can dream it. Builderall gonna make you smarter. Builderall gonna make you faster. Builderall gonna make you more money. Builderall, hey, Builderall, hey, Builderall gonna make you smarter. Builderall gonna make you faster. Builderall, hey, Builderall, hey. So you need a website, need to get your business right. Don't know where to start, but you got right here. Listen to me when I say you came to the right place. We got your back, so sit back and relax. Builderall Rockstar. Facebook Messenger, chatbot, email marketing, automation. Oh, listen to me when I say we got your back. Oh, sit back and relax. We got your back, so sit back and relax. I say we got your back, sit back and relax. Sales funnels, webinars, we got you. Sell your products, anything, we got you. Yeah, we got you. We got your back, so sit back and relax. I say we got your back, sit back and relax. Builderall gonna take you higher. Builderall gonna make you richer. No limits if you can dream it. Said no limits if you can dream it. Builderall gonna make you smarter. Builderall gonna make you faster. Builderall gonna make you more money. Builderall, hey, Builderall, hey, Builderall gonna make you smarter. Builderall gonna make you faster. Builderall, hey, Builderall, hey. Take a chance on your success. We got your back, yeah, we got your back, yeah. No limits if you can dream it.
Hey, you guys, listen, that's right. Builderall helps entrepreneurs and businesses just like you every single day. Hey, that's right. Let's turn your $1 million idea into $1 million business today.
Builderall gonna take you higher. Builderall gonna make you richer. No limits if you can dream it. Said no limits if you can dream it. Builderall gonna make you smarter. Builderall gonna make you faster. Builderall gonna make you more money. Builderall, hey, Builderall, hey, Builderall gonna make you smarter. Builderall gonna make you faster. Builderall gonna make you more money. Builderall, hey, Builderall, hey.
If you have a big dream with your business, if you wanna go far, learn, sell and all online, you gotta be a Builderall Rockstar. a professional system. It convert your $1 million idea in $1 million business. If you want that your business go far, you gotta be a Builderall Rockstar. It has the tool that you ever need. It's the best digital marketing. If you want that your business go far, you gotta be a Builderall Rockstar. It has a tool that you ever need. It's the best digital marketing. Entrepreneurs, designers, software engineers, marketers, assistants, do the free trial of Builderall right now. You're gonna go far with Builderall. You're gonna go far with Builderall. If you want that your business go far, you gotta be a Builderall Rockstar. It has the tool that you ever need. It's the best digital marketing. If you want that your business go far, you gotta be a Builderall Rockstar. It has the tool that you ever need. It's the best digital
Builderall, I pop on the favorite, don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it, check it, check it. Builderall, I pop on the favorite, don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it, check it, check it. When you open the mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth or something even better, you never know. This is a golden age when history takes a leap of faith to the future of the digital stage. Fasten your seatbelt, cause you're in for a ride. There is no time to hide. Hold your breath, take it to the sky. Give it a try for Builderall, cause you can't deny the world is changing. Better take reign of your destiny, is no fantasy. Better believe you can achieve, don't be naive. Don't waste your time, and just give the free trial a try. Builderall, I pop on that favorite, don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it, check it, check it. Builderall, I pop on that favorite, don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it, check it, check it. Builderall, I pop on that favorite, don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it, check it, check it. Builderall, I pop on that favorite, don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it, check it, check it. When it comes to purchases or nature instinct surfaces, I got no money, make excuses, don't wanna spend too much nervousness. But don't you worry, cause Builderall is affordable, make the impossible possible. Truth cannot be concealed, Builderall's for real, complete and inexpensive, make you fall head over heel. Give it a try for Builderall, cause you can't deny the world is changing. Better take reign of a destiny, it's no fantasy. Better believe you can achieve, don't be naive. Don't waste your time and just give the free trial a try. Builderall, I pop on the fifth for all. Don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it. Builderall, I pop on the fifth for all. Don't miss the chance at all. This was for y'all. Check it.
Digital marketing success takes a certain type of zest. Save your money on the courses and your time on the apps. I got Builderall for that. I'm just bringing the facts, all the tools you need to flourish, set your business up fast. All in one platform, professional system to keep you in the rhythm. Any angle you could ask for, whether here or there, down to help because we care. Entrepreneurs, designers, and software engineers, plus marketers, assistants, so solutions we can share. Efficient, make your money, be successful everywhere, anywhere. Skyrocketing, time to rack the profits and build or scale your business till you own a dozen offices. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1 million ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision. Yeah, we got everything to help you get up on the move. Create websites, blog sales, funnels too. Customers flock fast, and you gaining contacts. Automate the process, business ready for combat. These sleek visuals, 3D, digital, edit neat videos. Builderall really goes, and we know what you need to succeed. Set it up, get your store online so you can breathe. The most complete, easy to use digital platform, here to help you make it rain heavy like a bad storm. Your store was a dream, let us help your pocket sing. The best tool for your digital marketing. Builderall. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1 million ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision. Sales funnels to the clients, moving rapid, watch the feedback. Expedite the process. Builderall, you need that. You want the new, want the fast and efficient. Builderall has all that ready, you can't dismiss it. CDN servers run the sites in a flash. Vast array of templates if you're too polite to ask. Just a quick check-in, be omnipresent. Run the ad, make the sales, now you breaking records. So you wanna turn heads with your online presence. Builderall is the way to go, no second guesses. Save yourself time from trying to do it all solo. Builderall, full of great minds to make you more dough. This is Builderall, turn you to a rock star. Operate it all from a single dashboard. When you wanna expand and can't chill at all, you workaholics better head over to Builderall. I know you wanna bear witness. $1 million ideas manifested to a business with the quickness. Stop, look, listen. Builderall is the tool to help complete your vision.
Builderall Rockstar.com. Open your mind to the impossible. Sometimes you find the truth, and this is what you do.
Builderall is our most complete and affordable digital marketing platform out there, don't you think? Go to the website and see.
Builderall Rockstar.com. Builderall Rockstar.com. Builderall Rockstar.com. Builderall Rockstar.com.